Morning, engineering buddies. Here we go again on another day, another set of new topics and problems here in engineering mathematics. We're done discussing circles. So, we will now discuss another conic section, which is parabola. So, last three topics in analytic geometry conic sections tayo, no? Parabola, ellipse, and hyperbola. So, that will end our discussion on analytic geometry. So, hindi ko na ano dito yung mga, we will just i-discuss na lang natin yung mga properties ng parabola through these solved problems, no? Through the example. So, tara, problem number 1 tayo. The vertex of the parabola y squared minus 2x plus 6y plus 3 equals 0 is at. So, ayan. So, paano ba natin sinosolve itong ganitong mga problem? So, bago tayo mag-start, hindi ko alam kung na-discuss ko to nung time sa circle. Pero paano muna natin malalaman kung yung bigay nating curve is a circle, a parabola, ay hyperbola, ellipse, no? So, marami namang ways para matandaan natin kung paano. Alam ko, diniscuss ko to kapag may general equation yung pag may general equation yung conics mo na ax squared plus cy squared plus dx plus ey plus f equals 0. Kapag yung b squared daw, yung parang discriminant niya, was less than 4ac, ellipse daw yan. Yan, ellipse. Kapag yung b squared mo is equal mismo sa 4ac, is parabola. Tapos yung b squared mo is greater than the 4ac, hyperbola. Okay? So, ganyan lang naman yan. Pero marami pa namang ways you can see the equation. Kapag ang pansin nyo sa circle is nag-uumpisa sa ax squared plus ay squared yung general equation niya. So, pareho naka-square yung x tsaka y. Tapos, dapat pareho sila ng constant. Okay? So, dito na makikita natin, isa lang, y squared yan. We can assume that it is a parabola. Okay? Pero pag nasa ellipse tayo tsaka hyperbola, di-discuss din naman natin kung paano yung ma-designate yung kapag may binigay sa ating equation kung ano ba siyang curve. Okay. So, dito muna tayo, parabola. The vertex of the parabola, y squared minus 2x plus 6y plus 3 equals 0 is at. So, para mag-solve tayo ng magandang problem, gagamit lang tayo ng same na ginagawa natin sa circle, completing the square. Yun lang ang kailangan natin din malaman to find the vertex of the parabola. So, paano yun? So, rewrite natin yung pinaka problem. Is 2x plus 6y plus 3 equals 0. So, ginagawa natin, pagsamahin natin yung mga same terms, ganyan. Pwede natin i-both side na to, 2x, kasi hindi naman siya isa lang naman naka-square kapag yung parabola, 2x minus 3. So, 2x minus 3, kasi transpose lang natin to sa kabilang side ng equation, pati to. Kaya nagpalit ng sign. So, dito, alam natin na 6 divided by 2 is 3 squared, so 9. Add lang natin na 9 dito. So, meron tayong y squared plus 6y plus 9 equals 2x minus 6. So, factor na natin, y plus 3 squared is equal to 2x minus 3. So, the vertex of the parabola is at 3, positive pala to. Yan. So, the vertex is at negative 3 and negative 3. So, ito, yan lang din naman yan. So, yan ang vertex ng parabola natin. So, that's how you will solve that kind of problem. So, madali lang naman siya, no? Completing the square lang din. Okay. So, next. Given the equation of the parabola, y squared minus 8x minus 4y minus 20 equals 0, the length of its latus rectum is, so tandaan lang natin, the length of the latus rectum or LR is just 4a. So, paano ba natin malalaman yung 4a na yan? So, itong equation na to na y squared minus 8x minus 4y minus 20 equals 0 is naka-general form. Convert lang natin sa standard form. Same way. Pagsamahin natin. Ganyan. Tapos, ipalit natin sa right side ng equation. Negative 4 divided by 2 is 2. Squared is 4. So, add 4 dito. So, lalabas, y squared minus 4y plus 4 equals 8x plus 24. Or, factor na natin, y minus 2 squared is equal to 8x plus 3. So, the standard equation is, ayan. So, isa ang vertex niya kapag tinanong is at negative 3, 2. Tapos, ang latus rectum niya is 4a. Ito yun, no? Ito yung latus rectum. Yan na yung mismo 4a. Yan. Yan na yung latus rectum na yan. So, 4a is equal to 8. So, yan ang final answer natin. Okay? Yan. So, tatandaan nyo lang yan. Kapag makukuha nyo lahat yung vertex, length ng latus rectum kapag kinonvert nyo sa standard form. Okay, next problem tayo. Yan. Find the equation of the directrix of the parabola. So, okay. So, ang equation na ng parabola is y squared is equal to 16x. Okay? Length of latus rectum is 4a. Malamang 16. Yan na yan. Ito yung latus rectum, no? Kadikit siya nitong nasa right part ng equation, yung hindi naka-square, no? So, kailangan natin dito yung value ng a, which is 4. Yan. I-graph natin. Makukuha naman natin to through graph. I-graph lang natin na ganyan. Okay. Yan. So, ito kasi, ang equation ng parabola niya, nakaganto. Huwag natin. Yan. Yan. Ganyan yung equation ng parabola niyan. Ay, hindi. Idikit natin dito sa yung vertex na is at 0, 0. Ayan. So, ito yan. Tapos may certain distance dito. Ito yung A. Ayan. So, yung equation ng directrix nandito. Kasi ito, another A ito. 2A. So, di ba ito, 0, A is 4, so ito 4. 2A, ay, yan. Distance in directrix, ito negative 4. So, ito yung directrix. So, ang directrix is just negative 4. Yun ang sagot natin. Yan. So, yan ang answer natin. Negative 4 yung ano na ang tanatanong. Find the equation of the directrix. X is equal to negative 4. Okay. So, pa nagtataka kayo kung ano yan, bakit ganyan. So, una-una ulit, ang 4A is the length of the latus rectum, no? Yung 4A. Yung A, yan yung distance from the vertex to the focus. Okay? Distance from the to the focus. So, bago natin to solve tong problem na to, bigyan ko na kayo ng ano. Let's draw muna, mag-draw muna tayo ng ano, para mas maintindihan nyo palalo. Kasi baka magtaka kayo kung ano ba yung mga length of latus rectum. Sige, bigyan ko na kayo ng konting ano. Let's say we have the graph here. Yan. Yan ang parabola mo. So ito, tinatawag natin itong A. Ito A din. Ano natin yung mga points. So ito, 2A. 2A. A. So ito yung latus rectum, which is the 4A. May certain line tayo dito sa kabilang side ng parabola. Yan yung directrix. Ang definition, as per the definition of the parabola kasi, parabola is the locus of the point that moves such that its distance from a fixed point called the focus is always equal to its distance from a fixed line called the directrix. So yung focus, yung A kasi itong A na to, yan ang tinatawag nating distance from the vertex to the focus. Ito yung vertex ng parabola. Yan, ito yung vertex. Vertex. Itong part na to, ito yung A, yan yung distance ng directrix. Distance from vertex to focus. Yan. So yung focus natin ito. Yan. Focus. Okay? So yan lang naman yung mga parts na kailangan mong tandaan sa parabola. So paano pala natin malalaman muna ulit kung paano yung bukan yung parabola natin? So meron tayong given equation na y squared is equal to 4ax. Yan. Kasi ito yung graph mo. Yan, may graph kang ganyan. Kung ano yung naka-square dyan, yung bukan ng di ba y yan? Ito yung y, ito yung x. Kung alin yung naka-square dyan, perpendicular dyan ang parabola mo. Tapos kung positive tong right side ng equation mo, di sa right side yung bukan niya. So ito, kunwari yan, ang bukan yan pag ganyan. Okay? So parang perpendicular siya, ito yung y. Yan, tapos naka-perpendicular sa kanya yung curve mo. So kapag negative naman to, negative 4ax, dito yung bukan niya. Okay? Ang vertex na is at 0, 0, no? Kaya nakadikit sa ano. So, paano naman kapag yung naka-square naman, yung x, let's say, ang ano naman is x squared is equal to 4ay. So, may graph ka. Yan. So, positive yung ano, perpendicular dapat dun sa ano. So, nakaganyan yan. So, kapag negative, dito naman ang buka ng curve mo. Okay? So, yan. Sana naintindihan yung mga sabi natin A, 2A, 4A, okay? Yan. Sige. So, try na natin to. Okay. So, last problem for the day tayo. Naka-problem number, ano tayo? Ito ay, I think, problem number 2, problem number 3. So, problem number 4. Tandaan nyo lang lagi, guys, kapag nakuha na natin itong A, yan na din yung ano ng distance mo ng directrix. Okay? Kasi tinatawag kasi dito equation. So, negative 4. Huwag kayo malilito dito, ha? Sa positive or negative. Okay. So, last problem tayo. Problem number 4. What's the length of the latus rectum of the curve? X squared is equal to negative 12y. So, ulitin lang natin, ha? Ang length ng latus rectum is just 4a. Okay? So, x squared is equal to negative 12y. So, ang length ng latus rectum is just 4a. So, 4a is just the length of the latus rectum. What is the length of the latus rectum of the curve? Yan. Negative 4a is equal to 12. Yung curve kasi na to, meron siyang standard equation na x squared is equal to negative 4ay. The length of the latus rectum of the parabola is laging 4a. Laging 4a. Okay? So, yan. Yan nasagot natin. And so for more engineering problems and tutorials, please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell button para updated tayo sa mga future pa nating tutorials. So meron pa tayong I think isang problem na lang for parabola. Then we will proceed to other conic sections like ellipse and hyperbola. No? So yun lang. Keep watching. Happy learning and Padayon Engineers.